So I'm standing right in front of the entrance of the Malayoram Heritage Village. This place is very secluded. You will not find anything nearby. So yeah, if you're traveling over here, please make sure that you have your own stuff. And also the food over here, the homestay food is excellent. But if you're looking for anything apart from restaurants and something like that, again, word of caution, there is not nearby. There is nothing much nearby. You'll have to go. If you have your own car, it's not a problem at all. Otherwise, if you don't have a car, then you have to walk like for 5-6 kilometers. So this is the area. That house that you see, that's where the owners stay. And you have the option of an individual cottage over here. Now this room is perfect for a small family. You have your own bed and you also have a cooking area as well. You have your own kitchen. They will provide you with the utensils and gas. But you will have to get your own vegetables and other stuff, whatever you want to. This is the dining area. They serve food over here. It is their house. The owner's house is over here. Ample place to park your car. Parking your car, it's not a problem over here at least. So these are small tree house that they have. And this is the actual area where you will be staying. Just look at the view. One of these 3 rooms will be yours, and that's the view you're getting. Now let me show you one of the rooms of this property. This is how the room looks like. We have a fan. It's pretty chill over here, so you won't need an AC. This is the fan you have. This is the toilet area. So this is like the common wash basin area, and this is the actual washroom. Very good. Proper, well-fitted bathroom. Now let's head to the lovely dining area, the open dining area in this wonderful villa. The owners themselves will cook some delicious homemade Kerala food which you will not find anywhere else. So we are having authentic Kerala dinner right now. So this is fish fry, this is pork, this is rice, watermelon,
Salad.
papad,
Salad.
onion, dal that we already. This is a ayurvedic water. Now this is a huge property, and the best part is the garden. This place is surrounded by greenery, and you will get to learn about nature. Like you'll get to know about so many different kind of trees, fruits, and so much more. Let me take you around the garden. So this is the elaichi. This elaichi plant. And here you have black pepper. And this is coffee beans. And this that you're seeing over here, right in front of you, this is Javitri Jaifal tree basically. This is the fruit. So you always wondered about chocolate, right? So this is a cocoa plant. This is the fruit that you're seeing from here. You have the chocolate beans inside it. You can eat the pulp, wash the seeds, dry it, grind them, and make chocolate. That's how homemade chocolate is made. And this is the cocoa plant. This is so amazing to see that there's lots to learn while staying over here. It's amazing. You'll get to learn so much about nature, so much about kind of trees that is there. I mean, like, with my limited knowledge, I just took help from the owners to understand which trees or what are the fruits called. So see, this is again coffee beans right in front of you. So note that coffee comes from trees like this, and cocoa, chocolate, comes from trees like this. Both are not the same tree. So we certain people always think is like coffee and chocolate come from the same plant. No, that's not true. This is all the Javitri Jaiful fruit basically. I told you it splits into half, and this is the fruit that is left over. It's inside the red petal part, and that nutmeg, that is what is all important. So this is the Javitri and Jaifal that I was talking about. You know, this red part over here, this is what gets into your biryani. And this seed, it gets dried and you get nutmeg out of this. So much to learn from here. In case you didn't know, this is passion fruit. There's a passion fruit tree as well, a couple of them. And the fruit tastes awesome. Passion fruit you usually get in cities as well, but it's a different thing plucking from the trees over here and eating, right? This is where they get their own honey. So this is their beekeeping station over here. There are a couple of them, and each unit has a queen bee. And yep. So there is this is a whole own colony over here. Because it's raining, that's why it's covered. Else you could have got to see. Rainy season is not good for the bees, so they need to be protected. So yeah, but you can learn about beekeeping as well over here.